The MDO3000 series includes tightly integrated protocol analysis. Troubleshoot bus errors and timing problems with decoded bus information synchronized with waveform displays. Standalone protocol analyzers just can't provide the same level of insight. Support is available for a wide range of industry-standard serial buses, including popular interchip, system, and special application protocols. Any of the analog channels can be connected to buses. If you have the mixed signal option, you can use the digital channels to connect to your buses. You can set up 2 different buses for simultaneous display, triggering, and searching. Decoding your serial bus is as simple as defining a few bus parameters. In the case of this SPY bus, we simply define the input channels and set an appropriate voltage threshold. When we're done, the scope automatically decodes the bus data. You can define a specific bus event to trigger on a specific data packet or address, abnormal transactions, or a host of other options. When the event occurs, the scope will capture it along with any other signals you're tracking. With 10 million points of record length on every channel, the MDO3000 series can capture thousands of serial data packets, all of which will be automatically and accurately decoded in seconds. Compared to manually decoding your packets, this saves hours. With Wave Inspector, you can then automatically search your signal for all instances of an event you specify. Wave Inspector will mark every event so you can easily find it in your record. See what's happening throughout your device by decoding 2 different buses at the same time. All signals are synchronized so you can see the timing between different bus events. You can even view bus data in the form of an event table with timestamps for easy timing calculations. Data packets can be viewed in binary, hex, ASCII, or even symbolic, depending on your needs. Activate the protocols you need with optional application modules. You can add additional protocol support to any MDO3000 at any time. The MDO3000 is as integrated as your designs. Its integrated protocol analysis helps you debug serial bus problems in record time without ever leaving your oscilloscope.